This video was 3 minutes. The BCC voice effects. Customer information. The customer information has this. How to make it. BCC notified the burst continuum complete. Also, biggest pro might still hang. BCC has all the effects on exagear. Wait, soon enough. Sapphire is already installed. Sapphire, TJ. So that Sapphire is installing to it. Now opening. Sapphire OFX. No. You have 3 weeks ago. See up to tiny file manager. Tiny file manager. It's so bad. MAC address. Error message to accept Sony figures. Plus ins plugins. You have installed plugins but didn't shut down. Opening to NewBlueFX. Opening to Vegas Pro 11. Vegas Pro 11. Vegas Pro 10 is shutting down, but still hang. Wait for program error, but still crash. Oh, screen recording crashed. Working. Please. We're putting to crash. Wait for quitting. Wait for program error. Oh, wait.